What's up, everybody? My name is Jorge Taveras. In this podcast, I'll be explaining how different changes in computer hardware and software have affected my industry, which is recording arts. Stay tuned. Alright, first I'm going to talk about computer hardware. Ever since the introduction of computers and digital audio into the recording industry, computer hardware manufacturers have been constantly trying to improve and upgrade the different components of computers to get a better quality sound when working with the audio. For example, our laptops have just gone from having just stereo outputs to the 5.1 surround and optical outs that we have on our MacBook Pros. Many upgrades are also done to enable the computer to run faster and smoother when running the different programs that we use. The two most notable names when it comes to the audio editing software programs that we use include Pro Tools and Logic, even though there's many other programs just like Steinberg's Nuendo or Motu's Digital Performer. It's really just about personal preference. When it comes to Pro Tools, DigiDesign has been able to marry their advances with the DAW with the hardware upgrades that include expansion cards that go in computer towers for use with the Pro Tools HD systems. With those upgrades, you can have up to 16 analog and digital inputs at 192 kilohertz per interface, depending on which interface you buy. These changes and upgrades have affected the industry in a very positive way. They've made it possible to have progressively better quality recordings. Alright, now I'm going to talk a little bit about computer software. Like I said earlier, when it comes to software, everything becomes a matter of personal preference. Some people prefer Windows and some people prefer Macs. Me personally, I like Macs better. I think they look better. I think the OS runs smoother and they're more luxurious in my eyes. Most audio editing and recording software programs are available for both Windows and Mac-based computers. Some programs, though, are specific to just one of them. Like ImageLine's FL Studio, which is only for Windows, and Apple's Logic, which obviously is proprietary to Apple. The advances and changes in software have also affected my industry in a good way, because as companies develop these different programs, they become more streamlined. Sometimes they get easier to use, and they just become generally better overall. You know, they have more options and things of that nature. In summation, computers in general have affected my industry in a very positive way. Whether it's been a new version of a computer or faster processors, or just the latest version of a specific program. This has been my CSI podcast. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.